Greetings, road warriors. Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today, we are showcasing a motorhome that represents one of the most requested configurations in the diesel world. You are looking at a 2018 Fleetwood Pace Arrow 33D. Now, the first thing that probably jumps out at you is the size. While many diesel pushers are massive 45-foot behemoths, this coach comes in at a very manageable 33 feet. This short diesel footprint is the absolute sweet spot for travelers who want the power and smooth ride of a pusher, but still want to fit into those tight state park campsites or navigate winding mountain roads without breaking a sweat. History and maintenance are everything when buying pre-owned, and this one has a pedigree you can trust. It is a CARFAX one-owner unit with only 34,000 miles on the clock. It has been exceptionally well cared for, and you can see that reflected in the exterior. Take a look at this paint job. Fleetwood used their Cosmic Graphics package here, which is a full-body paint application. You won't find any cracking or peeling vinyl decals on this coach. Instead, you have a deep, automotive-grade finish that catches the light beautifully and will continue to look modern for decades. One of the biggest selling points we need to highlight right away is the rubber. We have installed brand new tires all the way around this RV. Tires are one of the most significant maintenance costs for any motorhome owner, so having a fresh set of zeros on there means you can drive off our lot with total peace of mind, knowing your foundation is solid. As we move along, notice the polished aluminum wheels that give it that high-end look. You also have a massive power patio awning that creates a huge outdoor living space, plus slide toppers over both slide-outs to keep debris and water away from your seals. For those afternoons at the campsite, you've even got an exterior entertainment center right here with a 32-inch TV, stereo, and speakers. It's the perfect setup for tailgating or just enjoying a movie under the stars. This Pace Arrow is all about combining that legendary Fleetwood quality with a size that makes every trip feel easy and accessible. Let's move down and talk about the foundation of this coach, because what's underneath is what truly sets a diesel pusher apart. You are riding on a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis. Because the engine is in the rear, you get the benefit of full air ride suspension and full air brakes. If you've only ever driven gas-powered Class A motorhomes, the difference here is night and day. You get that signature floating on a cloud feeling, and the air brakes provide incredible stopping power when you're fully loaded. Powering your journey is the reliable 6.7-liter Cummins ISB diesel engine. It delivers 300 horsepower and a very impressive 660 foot-pounds of torque. That torque is what really matters when you're pulling a grade or merging into traffic. You've also got the Allison 2100 mH 6-speed automatic transmission. This pairing of Cummins and Allison is the gold standard for durability in the RV industry. Now, let's check out these storage bays. One of the best parts about the Pace Arrow design is the full pass-through basement storage. Because we don't have a drive shaft running through the middle like a gas coach, you have these massive, cavernous compartments for all your gear. Whether you're bringing folding bikes, heavy-duty grills, or long-term camping supplies, you have the room to stay organized. For your off-grid power, we have an Onan 6.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator. It draws fuel directly from your main diesel tank, so you can run your electronics and air conditioners while you're dry camping without a worry. Tucked inside these bays, you'll also find the Magnum inverter charger, 50-amp service with an included extension cord, and convenient battery disconnects. Moving toward the rear, you'll see the 10,000-pound trailer hitch. This coach is built to tow, whether that's a heavy SUV or a boat. To make that towing experience safer, you have an integrated camera system with both rear view and side view cameras that feed right into your in-dash monitor. Rounding out the exterior systems are the automatic hydraulic leveling jacks. When you pull into your spot, you just hit a button on the touchpad, and the coach levels itself out perfectly. It's a sophisticated, high-performance machine that takes the stress out of the setup process, so you can get straight to enjoying your vacation. Welcome inside the 2018 Fleetwood Pace Arrow. As we step into the cabin, You can see how those two massive slide-outs completely transform the interior. Even though the exterior is only 33 feet, this floor plan feels like a sprawling retreat once it's opened up. Starting here in the main lounge, you'll notice the high-end finishes and the excellent condition of the upholstery. We have a large, plush sofa that is perfect for relaxing after a day of travel. Right across from it is the convertible booth dinette. This is your hub for meals or a morning cup of coffee, and it easily converts into an extra sleeping area when you have company. Now look up above the cockpit. This is a huge feature for families, the power overhead bunk bed. It stays completely hidden and tucked away while you're on the road, but once you're parked, it lowers down to give you comfortable sleeping for 2 more people. Between this bunk, the dinette, and the master queen, you can actually sleep 6 people in this coach. For your entertainment, you've got a 40-inch TV positioned perfectly for the living area. Whether you're catching up on the news or watching a movie, everyone has a great seat. To keep this entire space comfortable, Fleetwood equipped this unit with dual-roof ACs that include heat pumps. This means you can keep the coach ice cold during a South Carolina summer, but you can also use the heat pumps to take the chill off on a cool morning without having to use up your propane. You'll also notice the abundant cabinetry throughout the front area, providing plenty of room for games, electronics, and travel essentials. The flooring is durable and easy to clean, which is exactly what you want when you're living the RV lifestyle. This front living area balances luxury and practicality perfectly, making it a great spot for both entertaining and quiet nights in. The kitchen in this Pace Arrow is designed to handle everything from a quick snack to a full holiday dinner. You are going to love the stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer. It offers way more space than a traditional RV fridge, so you can stock up for those long cross-country trips. For cooking, you've got a 3-burner gas stovetop and a microwave convection oven, giving you the best of both worlds for baking or reheating. The residential-style sink and high-rise faucet make cleanup much easier than the small plastic sinks you see in lesser coaches. It's a very clean, bright galley with solid surface countertops and plenty of pantry storage for all your dry goods. Moving down the hallway, we find a very well-thought-out split bathroom design. I really appreciate this layout because it allows 2 people to get ready at the same time with total privacy. You have a generous shower enclosure with glass doors. There is a large skylight overhead that provides both natural light and extra headroom for taller campers. Across the hall is your private toilet room. It features its own sink, a large vanity with a mirror, and a power vent fan to keep the air fresh. Having the water closet separate from the shower is a luxury that you'll truly appreciate when you have a full house of 6 people. It's a smart use of every inch of this 33-foot floor plan. Welcome to the Master Suite. This is your private sanctuary at the back of the coach, and it is remarkably spacious. The centerpiece is a queen-sized bed that you can actually walk all the way around, making it easy to make the bed or reach the nightstands. You have your own 32-inch TV back here, so you can relax and watch your favorite shows in bed without disturbing anyone in the front. Storage is where this bedroom really shines. You have massive wardrobe closets and deep drawers that provide more than enough space for a couple's long-term travel wardrobe. Now, for those of you planning to spend months at a time on the road, take note. This bedroom is prepped and ready with washer and dryer hookups. We don't have the machines installed currently, but the plumbing and wiring are already in place. If that's a feature you need, we can certainly install a stackable or combo unit for you here at Porter's for an additional fee. This room feels light and airy thanks to the large windows, but you have blackout shades for when you're ready to get some rest. It's the perfect place to recharge after a long day of adventure, offering all the comforts of home in a high-quality Fleetwood package. As we head back outside to wrap things up, let's go over why this 2018 Fleetwood Pace Arrow 33D is such a standout choice. You are getting a CARFAX one-owner diesel pusher with only 34,000 miles. You're getting that legendary Cummins and Allison powertrain on a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis with full air ride and air brakes. Remember, we've already taken care of the biggest maintenance item by installing brand new tires all the way around. With the cosmic full-body paint, the overhead bunk that allows you to sleep 6, and a manageable 33-foot length, this RV is ready for any destination you can dream of. If you want to see this coach in person or have any specific questions, we'd love to hear from you. You can give us a call at 864-260-9276 or send an email to sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to see more photos and the full specification sheet for this unit. Thank you so much for joining us for this virtual tour today. We take pride in showing you every detail of our inventory here at Porter's RV Sales. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next walk around. We hope to see you here in Williamston very soon, and as always, happy camping!